Today, we have a classic water measuring challenge. You have 3 empty buckets, an 8-liter bucket, a 5-liter bucket, and a 3-liter bucket. You also have an unlimited supply of water. Your goal? Measure exactly 4 liters of water. But there's one very important rule. You are not allowed to throw away a single drop. Every drop of water must stay inside the buckets at all times. You can only transfer water from one bucket to another. Let's see how to do it. First, fill the 8-liter bucket completely. Now we have 8-liter bucket, 8 liters, 5-liter bucket, empty, 3-liter bucket, empty. Next, pour water from the 8-liter bucket into the 5-liter bucket until the 5-liter bucket is full. That uses 5 liters. So now we have 8-liter bucket, 3 liters, 5-liter bucket, 5 liters, 3-liter bucket, empty. Now pour water from the 5-liter bucket into the 3-liter bucket until the 3-liter bucket is full. The 3-liter bucket takes exactly 3 liters. That leaves 8-liter bucket, 3 liters, 5-liter bucket, 2 liters, 3-liter bucket, 3 liters. So far, so good. Now we need to make some room. Pour all 3 liters from the 3-liter bucket back into the 8-liter bucket. Now the buckets contain 8-liter bucket, 6 liters, 5-liter bucket, 2 liters, 3-liter bucket, empty. Next, take the 2 liters from the 5-liter bucket and pour them into the empty 3-liter bucket. Now we have 8-liter bucket, 6 liters, 5-liter bucket, empty, 3-liter bucket, 2 liters. Now comes the clever part. Take the 6 liters from the 8-liter bucket and use it to completely fill the empty 5-liter bucket. Since the 5-liter bucket can hold only 5 liters, exactly 1 liter remains behind. So now we have 8-liter bucket, 1 liter, 5-liter bucket, 5 liters, 3-liter bucket, 2 liters. And now for the final move. The 3-liter bucket already contains 2 liters. That means it needs only 1 more liter to become full. So pour water from the 5-liter bucket into the 3-liter bucket until the 3-liter bucket is completely full. Since only 1 liter was transferred, the 5-liter bucket loses exactly 1 liter, which means it now contains 4 liters. Exactly 4 liters. The buckets now contain 8-liter bucket, 1 liter, 5-liter bucket, 4 liters, 3-liter bucket, 3 liters. And we achieved the goal without throwing away a single drop of water. If you enjoyed this brain teaser, don't forget to like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.